10 commandments of safety driving as a driver. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Number 2. I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the views is unseen by my eyes. Number 3. I will not violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Number 4. I do not disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Number 5. Do not make a twist without signaling my intentions. Number 6. Do not accelerate my speed at school playgrounds, hospital, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersections. Number 8. Do not glare my headlights approaching cars at night. Number 9. I will show down when the twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. Number 10. I will be courteous and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. 10 Commandments of Road Safety from Traveler. Number 1. Thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Number 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Number 3. Thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Number 4. Thou shalt not take any chances. Number 5. Thou shalt not buckle up thy kids. Number 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. Number 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. Number 9. Thou shalt not keep thy distances. Number 10. Thou shalt not practice patience. 10 Commandments of Traffic. Number 1. Keep right. Number 2. Observe road courtesy. Number 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. Number 5. The bus stop rule. Lining up on the bus stop zone. Number 6. Rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Number 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver. First come, first serve vehicle. Number 9. On pedestrian. Number 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders.